Guys, welcome back to Paul Bart's Garage. I know I hadn't done a video in a while, but I kind of wanted to go over some things that I've been doing with the vehicle, the 2013 Dodge Challenger. So I wanted to show you and try to explain some things to you, what happens if you install the EBox Sportline lowering springs on your Challenger, or a lot of other brands that if you install on your car and it lowers it too much and gives you a negative or positive camber. In my case, I had negative camber, I think 3 degrees in the back and almost 4 degrees in the front after installing the springs. And you buy them thinking that you can put them on and not have issues. Well, after I installed the springs in 1 year, I went through 4 sets of tires and it just wore them out on the inside. I do drive my car back and forth to work, and it just wear the tires out. So I bought some Neato G2s and put on the back after installing the SPC bushings, which you'll see in my videos, where I actually did an install video on it. It was an elongated video, but the do's and don'ts and problems you may have while installing. And so when I went to the local tire place to have my vehicle's camber fixed, they said even with the SPC bushings, they couldn't adjust it out enough. It was still like 2 degrees off, and it was still wearing my tires out. And they said the front was even worse. So I went and I already bought the GodSpeed, and I will, in the next video, Saturday, I'm installing all these parts. I will do a video on the do's and don'ts, the problems you'll have, a visual of how they look on the car and what I had to do to install them. It's not going to be an install video, but it'll kind of help you make a decision on what you want to go with. Now, there are other brands. There's the ones I looked at was LMR, SPC. Let's see, what was another one? There was another one that's on the American Muscle site, but I can't remember its name. But I went with the mid-range price value because my car is toward red, and I kind of like this crimson red, and it's seems to be powder coated and scratch resistant. I kind of like it. It's a lot beefier than the trailing arms. These are trailing arms, by the way. I didn't really need them, but I wanted to go with, I want to, really redo the front end and rear end as far as suspension parts go. And I just got the trailing arms because I just like the way they look, and you can adjust it out. But anyway, it came in this box, and I believe if you want to know the part number, that's it, the ART AKE 247. If you go on their website, which they're probably sold out, you'll probably have to get them off eBay or Amazon. The American Muscle site has some of them, I believe, in stock, and but the GodSpeed website shows them out of stock. But anyway, there's the part number on that, and this is what they look like, which is really beefy. I don't know if you can tell much from just a video, but they're adjustable. And basically what I'll do is pull the ones off the car and hold these up to the ones I pull off the car and adjust them out to where they're the same length, then install them, and then later on take them to the shop and have the camber in tow and all that balanced and everything fixed and running like it's supposed to. So here is one of the main components, most expensive component out of all of them. This is the front upper control arm. This is to adjust the camber, because when you adjust the camber, you're moving the ball joint from side to side, and it causes your, if that makes any sense, here's your tire and your wheel to adjust this way, and in my case, mine is sitting like this, and it's causing the inside of the wheels, or tires rather, to wear down, and then the car just shakes at about 75 to 80 miles an hour. And the tires I actually have on there were almost $400 for 2 of them, and I've had them on there for about 4 months and already ruined it. So anyway, it comes with these components here, the ball joints, and you can actually get on the website, the GodSpeed website. I saw them in there for $25 for a set, and buy these ball joints if these ever wear out. The only thing I don't like about them, they'll have grease fittings, which doesn't make any sense, but oh well. But anyway, all this is going to be installed Saturday, and I'll probably release a video on it on Monday, so pay attention to that video. It'll be very informative. It's going to let you know if you're having camber issues after installing lowering springs, what you'll go through. And then there's another thing, when installing the rear, they call them Camber Arms, I call them control arms. The adjustable ones, what I had to buy in order to adjust the camber. for the rear end, because the bushings don't work. Don't waste your time buying the SPC or EBox bushings and expect that to fix your car. It's not going to. They're not going to be able to adjust out enough to get all the camber issue out of it. With the adjustable upper camber control arms or camber arms, you can adjust it that way all the way out. And but anyway, if you're interested in these were like $258 shipped, and the part number is ART AK-093, and they fit my 2013 Dodge Challenger, which I'm thinking 09 through 14 they'll work in your vehicle. And but anyway, this is just kind of an unboxing video showing you what I got going on with the car. Monday's video will be more in-depth video of the install, things that I went through and why I bought what I bought, and explaining what happens when you put lowering springs on your car and the camber issues you're going to have and what you're going to have to go through to fix it. The only thing that I don't have showing that I bought for the car is the camber arms, the rears or upper control arms, and it's because I had to get them on. It was so bad. As soon as they came in, like the very next day, I installed them. And I will go over that video. And I also have another informative thing about your CV axles. There's something a lot of people don't know when buying CV axles for your car. It's very important. It's going to save you a lot of aggravation. And I will also go over that too with you Saturday. But I want to be out there under the car with the wheels and tires off, so I can point at stuff so you'll get a visual of what I'm talking about. And if you're not a car enthusiast or have a lot of knowledge about these Challengers and these Dodge vehicles and the suspensions, that you'll kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. And it's going to save you a lot of heartache, a lot of time, a lot of money. Just pay attention to the next video. It'll either be released Monday or Tuesday. But anyway, this is Paul Block's Garage. If you got any questions, concerns, hit me up in the comments. If you would, like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.